Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a makeup tutorial, as you can tell by the title.
That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you, damn. Look at what you become, matter of fact what you been. I was just like, I was just so in it, I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it, I know what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, but you're doing too much and you don't go. And I know you when you try to hold on to my attention. Won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go. Yeah, yeah, but you're doing too much and you try too hard, trying to get a reaction. I'm not a child, so I cannot be touched. You have something big good, you want it bad and you need it. I don't wanna be feeling dead, so I said that I was needing. I thought you would be real, I thought you would be right. Talking all that tough shit, and then you gon' go down. But all I really know, all I really know is let it go, let it go. Oh, it's too much, let it go, you know. So much is in the way, baby. Ain't no one above the two of us. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. And you gon' take it off for me, off for me. Tell me you gon' make the thing pop for me. Pretty soon pop for me. In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. I'm too much rush, I see a candlelight. I can't think, show me what got my money right. Don't take it off and show me what it's like. Let me see, I'm in the game, I shoot at Jordan with his G23. Don't matter if we disagree, don't mean you up and leave. I bust it down, she rockin' chrome, bitch, she got on her knees. I told them I just want them gone, but for my city, they please. For me, for me, for me, for me, for me. Need your love, come stay with me tonight. I can't go without my drugs, cause I am not alright. I'ma let you take the wheel tonight. We know what we doing wrong, but girl, it feels so right. It feels so right. It feels so right. She say I'm in too deep. That you're so right. Told her mama stop, but they ain't see it. How they gon' believe it? Going war with time, bitch, too strategic. I can't be defeated. I ran out of love, cause they misleading. They just up and leaving. I put too much white into my family. Now I'm cooking game. I'm in the game, I should have joined. But it's 2, 2, 3. Don't matter, cause we disagree. Don't mean you up and leave. I bust it down, she rockin' grown, but she good on her knees. I told them I just want them gone, but for my city, they please. For me, for me, for me, for me, for me. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. For me. No mojo, I bounce back, no cocoa, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos, money on my juggler, natural hustler, think I need a smuggler up in Russia, it could be the butler, shine my cutler, shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler, okay next scene, my life is a wet dream, I call it a sex scene, the bag is a nice tease, I tried to escape, my life is an x-ray, I'm sorry, a sex tape, you only get one take, quiet on the set please, everyone, okay rolling, anxiety, 3, 2, 1, anxiety, keep on trying me.
Player, not a simp, babe. This shit coming off the head like a temp fade. And your bitch tryna kick it like a sensei. Maybe you can get a wig, but I ain't paying rent, babe. Young stepping in some bands, know I brag different. I can go and spin it, nigga, cause my bag different. That bitch, she ain't really fucking bad, the whole catfishing. And I got two bitches doing tricks, this whole back flipping. I been smoking on that gas, you can smell the aroma. In the booth, I'm in that mode, sipping Arizona. You might think bro finna crash the way he been the corner. Take your bitch and give her back, no I don't even want her. Take your bitch and give her back, I want a refund. In the booth, got on dark shades, I can't even see nothing. I be high up in the stars, now I'm finna be one. How the fuck I cut you off, you running back that little D1. Yeah, she's a trap star, baby I'm a dog like them pits in the backyard. I be on some other shit while niggas tryna act hard. And we steady getting to that money, nigga, that bar. Bitch, you can call me Timmy, know I'm finna turn her up. Nigga, we been getting to that bad, that's what I'm running up. My name getting hot up in the streets, say I'm burning up. Nigga, ain't no doubt about it, niggas know for sure I'm coming up, yeah. We been getting to that cake, bitch. I ain't ever flat, nigga know my pocket straight. Steady grinding, nigga know that's what it takes to be great. And I'm spitting real shit up on the mic, this ain't no fake shit. Hold on, baby, I'm a player, not a simp, babe. This shit coming off the head like a temp fade. And your bitch tryna kick it like a sensei. Maybe you can get a wig, but I ain't paying rent, babe. Young stepping in some bands, know I brag different. I can go and spin it, nigga, cause my bag different. That bitch, she ain't really fucking bad, the whole catfishing. And I got two bitches doing tricks, this whole back flipping.
In the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Classy bitch, but they know I be outside with it. 100 deep in the session, we be wildin'. Won't catch me playing with my broke nigga, that's shy. I thought you wait, these hoes can't fuck with me. I thought you wait, these hoes can't fuck with me. I thought you wait, these hoes can't fuck with me. It be the bomb ass hoe that's pressed for me. These bitch can't ride like the ceiling and come outside with it.
ain't nothing gon' slide by this. On the east, the block gon' ride by this. I hope can't need to sit next to me. Get your pants up or come work for me. But I'm that hoe really pressed by me. By the nigga, baby, that's talking cheap. Don't speak on me, baby, keep the pee when I see the nigga on me. I heard these hoes, yeah, been fresh up by that nigga that ain't mine. With that pussy on the make us split every last time. Ain't no love in this shit, I just be coming every time.
That's a G-Way.
In the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Classy bitch, but they know I be outside with it. 100 deep in the session, we be wildin'. One catch me playing with now broke nigga, that's shy.
That's a G-Way. These hoes can't fuck with me. That's a G-Way. These hoes can't fuck with me. That's a G-Way. These hoes can't fuck with me. It be the bomb ass hoe that's press for me. It be these niggas that run around got like bitches. Make them eat my ass, then I send them back to hit Missy. Trick them out them bandits, time to meet Big Lizzy. Block 41, yeah, you know they keep shit good. Big hooted to you hoes, heard my name, you come up missing. I'm the biggest hoe, I swear I'm nothing like you bitches. They loving these niggas, I'ma keep them in their feelings. They say no I'm trying to run me up to me. What's up, G-Way?
In the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Classy bitch, but they know I be outside with it. 100 deep in the session, we be wildin'. One catch me playing with now broke nigga, that's shy.
What's up, G-Way? These hoes can't fuck with me. What's up, G-Way? These hoes can't fuck with me. What's up, G-Way? These hoes can't fuck with me. It be the bomb ass hoe that's pressed for me.